Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. So if you recognize this makeup look, it is the one I created in my BoxyCharm unboxing for this month's box. I will leave a little eye here up in the corner so you can check that one out if you have not already seen it. But I am recording two videos in the same day, so that is why I have the same makeup on. I haven't mentioned this on my channel before, but I am in college right now and we are approaching midterm week, so I need to pre-record some videos in order to keep up with my videos for you guys. Otherwise, I am gonna not be able to post up any videos next week. So that is why I have on the same makeup. But this video is gonna be on the Target beauty box. I just received this in the mail and I was so excited. Still has the little plastic cover to it, so let's dive in. So this is my first ever Target beauty box. I've never purchased one before and I am really excited that I got this as my first one. So if you don't know, Target beauty boxes go on sale every month, I believe it is, and they are very affordable. They are $7. It is a mix of full-size and trial-size items. So let's go ahead and dive in, and I think it's kind of cute how they sent it. It's like a little box actually. Uh-oh. Bad sign. So it comes with this little pamphlet that says, "Hello Spring." What you get inside is also listed here on the back, and then you also receive a $3 off a $15 purchase coupon, which to me completely sweetens the deal, because if you're only paying $7 for a box and you receive a $3 off coupon, that is not a bad value. And especially if you shop at Target quite a bit, this can definitely make it worth it, like myself. Oh, there's powder everywhere. So let's see. Oh, there it is, the smashed eyeshadow. So let's start with the item that is broken that was inside of this month's box. This is the Wet n Wild Color Icon eyeshadow quad in Sweet as Candy, which there was supposed to be a pink shimmery shade in here. You can't even tell anymore. Completely destroyed. Well, that is not a great start to my first ever Target box. The eyeshadow quad does retail for $2.99, so you do receive the full-size item of that one. You know, hopefully if you order the box, you get a full non-broken version. I would have really liked to try that one out. It looked really beautiful, which here is what the inside of the box looks like. I wish they had put some kind of like bubble wrap, foam padding, anything of that nature. These are some heavy items and that eyeshadow palette just got knocked around. It was at the bottom, so I can definitely see how it got ruined in shipping. Something they should probably look into improving in the future. But let's keep it going. Positivity. Let's go with the next item. I'm gonna clean these off as I take them out. Next item, I have the Olay Cleansing Infusions Body Wash. It is micro scrubbing infusion with crushed ginger, gently exfoliates while cleansing for healthier, radiant looking skin. So this one is a trial size. This one is only 1.7 fluid ounces. It is supposed to be hydrating glow body wash, and it has a really nice scent. It smells like ginger, but it also almost smells kind of lemony. I actually really enjoy that. That's quite nice. But if you hate the smell of ginger, you're not gonna like this. But there we have this one. This here is the Nexus Dry Shampoo. It's lightweight, fragrance-free formula, brings volume and texture back into your hair. So this product is also a trial size. It is 1.15 fluid ounces. I do enjoy that it is unscented. Let's do a little spray test. Oh, completely clear. Pretty excited I'm getting to test this one out. It can be kind of hard testing out different dry shampoos because they are very large, and then if you find out you don't like it, then you're kind of stuck with it. I have been in dire need of a good new dry shampoo, so super excited I got this one in there. Next up, I have the Pantene Foam Conditioner. In-shower conditioner contains airtight micro bubbles that strengthen, moisturize, and bring shine to every strand without weighing it down. It's supposed to be for really fine to medium hair. It's supposed to be really good for that. This one is also a trial size. It is 1.4 ounces in here. You're supposed to shake well and then apply it into your palm and work it in. Oh, I just had to test it out. This honestly looks like a mousse, but it's so fluffy. Oh my gosh. It has a really great smell to it. If you've ever used Pantene shampoo and conditioner before, it has that great scent to it. I personally really enjoy it. I color my hair and bleach it and do all of that, so I need something hydrating. So I am going to be testing this one out, and I'm going to be updating you guys how it works for my hair, since it is colored, it's processed, it's damaged, needs some loving. Up next is the number 7 Early Defense Glow Activating Serum. It's supposed to help clear and refine the pores for a radiant complexion after 1 week. So on their website, I believe they listed this as a full-size item. They were saying it was like a full fluid ounce in there, which that is a full-size item, but this is not. This is 0.16 US fluid ounces. So it is a trial size. So the website did have a little mix-up. I'm just gonna rub it in my hand. Oh wow, it disappeared really quickly on my hand, and now it just feels kind of dry. Has a nice smell to it, nothing too crazy, nothing floral. Then we have the St. Ives Collagen Elastin Moisturizer. It's supposed to work to improve the elasticity, visibly reduce the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles. So this one is also a trial size, but it's kind of like a deluxe size, I would say. There is 2 fluid ounces inside of this little product. It is a new product, so I'm guessing that's why it's in there. It says it's for sensitive skin. It's dermatologist tested, paraben free, made with 100% natural moisturizers, vegetable glycerin, and soybean oil. So let's try it on my other hand. It's also supposed to be non-greasy, so just a creamy formula. I'm just gonna apply this all over my hand. It did dry in really quickly. It's already setting in. It's not greasy. It's a little bit sticky, kind of like how most lotions are afterwards. Oh man, it has a really good scent. So I just read the ingredients, and it does have a fragrance or perfume in there, so I'm sure it's not a natural kind of smell you're smelling. They put something in here to make it smell good. But that is that one. And the last item I have is the Clairol Color Crave Hair Makeup. The color in which you received in the box is Brilliant Amethyst. This one is actually a full-size product. This one is 1.5 fluid ounces, which is what they sell in stores. And on Target's website, it retails for $9.99. They're saying it's supposed to be like super easy to apply, that you have a little squishy top. Let's look at it. Oh yeah, so it's a little puff little applicator right here. So you squeeze out the product and you work it into your hair. I did look into this a little bit more, and it says you are supposed to be able to apply it and then wash it out right away. So it's not permanent color, it's just gonna wash out instantly. I am always skeptical about these types of products because the colors that they say wash out don't necessarily do so. I used to color my hair kind of crazy colors back in middle school and high school, and the product did not just wash out right away. It always leaves like a weird residue, and since I color my hair blonde, I tend to shy away from things like that, but I actually am really intrigued by this product. And if you guys want me to test this out and do a full video, I color my hair Brilliant Amethyst and then I wash it out, see if it actually washes out, if it's true to what it says it is, leave me a comment down below. I will be more than happy to color my hair for you guys. I think that would be really fun and kind of test it out. Kind of scary because I don't want to ruin my hair, but for you guys, I will do it. But that was the last product that came inside of this box, so let's kind of go over it really quickly. So inside of the box, you do receive 2 full-size items, which is the Color Crave and the Wet n Wild Color Icon eyeshadow. I'm not going to hold that one up because it just keeps falling everywhere when I try to move it. So for just those 2 full-size items, it works out to be about $12.98, and you pay $7 for the box, so you do get a pretty good discount for the 2 full-size items. And then you just get an added bonus of all of the trial size items. I mean, there's no specific price of the trial size items, at least not that they sent with the box. And when you are looking at the beauty box on their website, it does list the full-size items, so it's kind of hard to tell what those are priced at. But then you also receive a $3 off coupon, which I'm kind of thinking I'm gonna toss into the value because I will definitely be using this because I love Target. So if you add the coupon in there, like $3, it'll be like $15.98 that the total value of the box is, which I don't think is a bad value for the box. I am gonna be contacting them about that shadow though. But this was my first ever Target Beauty unboxing. If you guys like this video, you want me to keep doing it, leave me a comment down below. Also, let me know if you want me to color my hair for you. So before you leave, please be sure to like the video if you liked it, subscribe to my channel if you have not already. I post 2 beauty related videos twice a week. So I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys!